Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today I'm going to be doing my second installment with the train with art by Shelee and just Janese. So it's going to be a weekly thing. We're going to be on Thursdays, which you already know because it is Thursday, and between 10 and 10:30. So I hope you'll turn in next week also. This week I'm going to be doing a very simple back to basics piece, and you probably see it behind me. I haven't seen it yet, so it's going to be a mystery to me. You'll have an idea what's going on. So without any delay, let's get down and we'll get started. Let's talk about what I'm going to do really quickly, and then I'm going to put music on and we're going to see how this little tiny experiment actually works for us. So basically my colors are going to be, this is Bordeaux Red, Arteza. This is Iridescent Gold Light by Amsterdam. This is Cobalt Teal by Golden. And this is Alabone by this little Piggy. I'll double check on that and put it down in the description below. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flood this out with my normal pillow paint. Then I'm going to try a little bit of an experiment. I have not seen anybody try this. I have some Liquitex spray paints. I'm going to put a little bit of the parchment, which is an opaque color, and I'm going to put a little bit of yellow on top of that, just to give it an interesting background. Then I'm going to do my my deconstructed bloom on top of that. We'll see how this works. It may be a total failure, but we won't know until we try, right? So let's get started. do a real quick flyover. I did get some really nice cells here. This is a brand new batch of cell activators, so they always tend to react much nicer when they're fresh. Now, I didn't get any cells down there, but I'm okay with it. And I didn't get enough breakup there, but I'm okay with that also. You can't see very well the colors that I sprayed down first. There's some of them there, a little bit under there. There's the yellow. Now the yellow and the blue that I put down, the blue was an afterthought, were both fluorescent colors. So for a piece that came together rather quickly, I don't think I could be very unhappy with this.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
You just never know what's going to happen with fluid art, but I really had a good time with this one, and I hope that you got something out of it. So until next time, bye for now.